Hey guys, it's Dr. Heaton. If you are watching this video, that means you have recently requested a virtual consultation about your smile from me. And I want you to know this is the first of two videos that you're going to get. The second video is going to be very specific to you and what my recommendations for you are with your smile. This video is a little bit more general, but there's a ton of really good information in this video. So please watch this video all the way to the end. So let me quickly tell you a little bit about me and my practice. I've been practicing cosmetic dentistry for about 12 years. I do exclusively cosmetic dentistry, meaning all of my patients were doing veneers, okay, and smile makeovers. So my practice is very much a destination practice, okay? We have people fly in from all over the country to see us. Chances are you live out of state. Because of that, my team has an awesome system in place for making the out-of-state smile makeover really convenient and easy for you. Okay, we have a great system in place. We also consider it destination practice because 4 times a year, I teach a course to other dentists. So 4 times a year, we'll have 20 to 25 dentists fly in from all over the country and learn our veneer process. So it's very much a destination practice. So let me give you a little bit of information about veneers. Okay, let me answer a lot of the very common questions. Some of the main advantages of veneers over like orthodontics, like braces, Invisalign, whitening, all that stuff. A lot of my patients that come to see me have already done braces twice and Invisalign, and they've done whitening and they've done bonding, they've done all kinds of stuff, and they're still just not happy with their smile. The beauty of porcelain veneers is we get to pick the perfect color, the perfect shape, the perfect size. We literally get to create your ideal smile, okay? And it's very custom to you. There's no one size fits all with veneers. And the other beautiful thing about veneers is they last a very long time. Porcelain veneers are gonna last 15 to 20 years. The ones that I did 12 years ago still look great and are still gonna last a very long time, assuming you take care of them. It's just like your teeth. If you take good care of them, they're gonna last a very long time. Okay, so a couple things I want you to know about porcelain veneers. The process, it's 2 appointments, okay? 1 appointment, you come out to see me and we take you through my smile design process, and you leave that appointment with temporary veneers on, okay? That appointment is about 2 hours. And the second appointment, you come out and see me, we take the temporary veneers off and we put your permanent veneers on, okay? Those appointments are, they're super easy. This is my operatory. You can see it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. The Smile Studio, it is very unique. Okay, we have a TV above you, so for that 2.5-hour appointment, we throw some headphones on you. You watch a couple of your favorite Netflix shows, and before you know it, we're all done. So the process. Here's another question I get a lot: is it painful? And no, it absolutely is not. It's one of the least painful dental procedures out there. Okay. All right. So this case is a before and after of traditional veneers. Okay. So in this scenario, we did reshape those teeth a little bit so that that porcelain can fit where it needs to fit. I also want to introduce you to something called Lux No Prep veneers. Okay. There are not very many cosmetic dentists in the entire United States doing no prep veneers. And there are only 2 of us, Dr. Allen in Tucson and myself near Scottsdale, Arizona, that do Lux No Prep veneers, okay? And the reason we created Lux is because most of the no prep veneers out there don't look good at all. We wanted something that could look just as beautiful as traditional veneers. Now, I should tell you, not everybody is a candidate for Lux No Prep veneers. Only about 1/3 of the people who reach out to me are actually candidates. However, it's not all that black and white. Sometimes we just have to tweak the shape of 1 or 2 teeth, like a tiny bit, and then we can do no prep veneers. So it's not super black and white. There's varying degrees of gray in between, okay? But let me show you an example of Lux No Prep veneers. So this is a girl that came in to see me. She flew in to see me from San Francisco, and she was interested in Lux No Prep veneers. It absolutely was an appropriate case, and this is how it turned out, okay? Stunning, gorgeous, beautiful smile makeover. You can see that this is equally as pretty as the traditional veneers that I showed you a picture of before, okay? The beauty of this, though, is if she called me tomorrow and said, hey, I want to take this off, I could literally take them off and her teeth would be exactly like they were before I started. There's no reshaping of these teeth. and they're going to last just as long as traditional veneers. So Lux No Prep veneers are an absolute amazing option if you're a candidate. Some people aren't a candidate with any of their teeth, and then sometimes I'll have a patient who 8 of their 10 teeth are candidates for Lux No Prep veneers, and 2 or 3 of them we have to make some really minor changes. Okay, so Lux No Prep veneers are an absolutely awesome option for about 30% of you, and then there's another 30% or so who can mostly get no prep veneers. Okay, so I think I've covered everything I need to cover. I hope that I answered a lot of your questions. I assume you still have more. You'll be hearing from a member of my team in the next day or 2. Hey guys, so I'm hoping that after watching that video, you have a much better understanding of the process of getting veneers. But let me add just a couple more really important things for you. One is I need you to know the price range. So in my office, veneers range from $2,300 per tooth to $2,500 per tooth. So that can kind of give you an idea of where you're going to be at if you're doing 8 or 10 or 20 veneers. The other thing I want to share with you is we get hundreds of requests for virtual consultations. So this video goes out automatically to all of you. If you would like more information about your smile specifically, I'd be more than happy to record you a personalized video about your smile. However, because we get hundreds, I don't have time to do a personalized video for everybody. So if you're serious, click the link below. It's just $50, and then I will record you your personalized video about your smile, what I think your options are, what I think you qualify for. I'll go over everything. If you would like to do a FaceTime video with my assistant and just get a little bit more information, we don't charge for that, and we actually schedule that. So when Sydney reaches out to you, if you would just like to do a FaceTime consult to get a little more info with my assistant, her name is Courtney, we'd be happy to get that set up for you as well. Thanks guys.